what is the void? The void is essentially when we go, I like to say we go back into the pit of hell. It might feel like that, but we're going really back within ourselves. Everything external to us that we've been relying on or depending on to fill us fades away. So if you were using food, you might lose your desire for food, or food may not have the same pleasure response that it used to. If you're relying on certain other people to fill you, you might find that those relationships are feeling really lifeless right now. It's really an encouragement to come within yourself, reassess where you're at, look at your shadows, look at your triggers, confront them, press through them, which is very, very hard to do, but it is the most courageous thing we can do. And the only way through the void is to go through it. We have to press through this. So you're going to press through, work on releasing those triggers, traumas, everything that's coming up, your own insecurities, your own shame, self-doubt, worry, mind games, mental constructs that are keeping you low vibration. And once you walk through it, guess what? The void is a sign of leveling up, that you're getting ready to level up. And once you get through, you're going to look back and say, oh my gosh, I'm so glad that I pressed through the void. And I feel so good now. I feel so empowered, so light, so free. And then guess what? Because our healing journey is a spiral, you probably get to do it again and repeat and repeat and repeat. And each time you go through the void, if you learn from it and recognize that you're in the void, for me, I'm like, oh, I guess we're diving into the void today. I dive right in because I want to get out as quickly as possible. And the void can last for years for people. I would like to say that some people have probably been in the void for decades because they keep running from their shadows and refusing to confront this. And you're not going to get out of it until you go through it. So that is the solution to get through the void.